Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Wonderfully Made. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Today I have a get ready with me video. It's me rushing to get ready for work. It's a quick face, soft glam look, if you will. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned. Oh, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Good morning everyone. Let's get ready for work today. I have about 30 minutes to finish getting ready and get out of the door, but I want to wear a little bit of makeup today, so we're gonna do this. I've been trying out several different foundations so that I can start decluttering them, but I want to remind myself how much I like them before I start my decluttering. Today I'm going to use the Clinique foundation. I like this one because it has an SPF of 25, and I typically like to go in, well, apply my foundation with a brush, one pump, but for this particular foundation I find myself using a sponge for, so not sure why. And this is coming off a little bit light, and that might be because this is more of a winter shade for me, and I am definitely tanned, but we're gonna make it work. I don't know, the sponge isn't working that great for me today, so use my all-time favorite Tarte brush, the best foundation brush on the planet, and I have tried plenty and own plenty, but I always end up going back to this one. I'm going to use my Pat McGrath concealer. The applicator broke so I'm going to use the applicator from my NARS concealer, which is empty. Trying to finish this makeup in 15 minutes, so let's see how successful I will be. I love this brush for concealer, but it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. Why I'm using a dirty brush when I have a million other ones that I could be using that are clean? Because I'm running late. That is the reason that I'm just using what is in front of me. Everything I'm using has been in my makeup bag for a month or so now. Maybe a couple of weeks, I don't know. But I definitely need to change it out. I'm going to use this liquid blush by Rare Beauty. I've been real heavy on the blush lately, so. And I find myself bringing it up much higher than I used to, using my Charlotte Tilbury face powder. For all over my face, I'm gonna go in with my Chanel setting powder, and I'm gonna use the little puff first. Oh, no, this powder gets everywhere. Oh my goodness. So anyway, I'm gonna use the little puff just to place the powder all over. This is my Chikuhodo brush. Chikuhodo or Chikuhodo, whichever, however you pronounce it. I have multiple powder brushes from Chikuhodo. They are my favorite. Nice, simple, fresh face. But it's an eyeshadow pen from Laura Mercier. Nice little one and done eyeshadow look. Great for when you're in a hurry, but you want to have something on the eyes. Oh, I think I made a little bit of a mess with this. Yep, I got a little bit right here. Didn't mean to do that because I'm rushing. So easy to make mistakes when you're in a hurry. I probably shouldn't even be trying to record this because anytime I record, it does take a little bit of extra time. Blush palette, blush and highlighter palette. I think this was, yeah, Becca times Chrissy Teigen. The collab between the two of them. It's quite some time ago, but I still love it. Take a little bit of the bronzer from this blush palette. I guess it's more of a base palette. It's not just blush. It's blush, highlighter, and a bronzer. And I'm just going to use that just to blend that eyeshadow out a little bit. Again, I was rushing, so it's a bit messy, but we're not going for anything perfect today. Just filling in my brows a little bit. Just a soft brow look today. Just want my brows to look full, that's all. Okay, so for lips today, I'm going to use the OG Max Chestnut, which is way better than the Charlotte Tilbury. And actually, it's better than any lip liner I've tried. I do want to try the one by Makeup by Mario. I heard it's really good. Lipstick by House of Sillage. The lipstick formula by House of Sillage, I mean, by far the best lipsticks in my collection. I love them. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm going to set it with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I used to stand for the Urban Decay setting spray, but this one has definitely taken its place. The best. I didn't put on any mascara, and I'm debating on whether I'm gonna put on mascara because lately my eyes have been so runny, and if I have to start rubbing them with mascara, you know that's gonna be a total mess. But I think it's okay. I don't really think I need the mascara today. I mean, of course, I hate wearing makeup without mascara, but because my eyes have been, you know, hating me lately. So anyway, I think this is it, guys. This is the finished look, and yeah, so thanks for sticking through this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God, and He loves you, and I do too.